Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya hak khatway trik yayong kala Rakhe ka jingdap sa snem jong ka party na du pala sengya ka hak upastrikam jong ka party. Hak ni ka sngi lay don lang ru umintri sorkar but MLA ka South Shlong uba San Bor Shulai MLA ka BJP na penthor umkra uba AL Hek unong aktin barang ba ka BJP uba M Kharkrang kinong kit kambarim ka seng bat kiwe. Kaseng ka pynkup burom riew riew pawkhmat ka Jylla ki bakenthum ya ulid Martin Majau unong sandor ya kaan Land Transfer Act ka kong Trinity Sayo kabalayo pediang ya kusnam pat mashri halur usinyang ubaklano uba imay constant u sordar ka raj liting prablang khairim sim shim bat ya rang bashnong kaliting lingdo upala shakri la subway snam ban a jing ithu ya ka jing tremat bat min sim hakaban yalam ya kashnong kathaw nalor kata la pynkup burom ru iki samla ki bawan ra takma na ki lumpung jingakob kickboxing bat jingakob set nam kumju ki banok sinyang hakalyang katho katar bat ki wei ki jingakob kumju la sam ru iki kusnam shakinong jump haka jingakob inter college speech competition and seminar Hakaba ka Shillong Law College, Kalawan Ningkong, ka Shillong College, Kalawan Baar, bat ka KL Bajuria College, Kalawan Balay. Haka ni ka program ka seng kalapun ku burom ru ikinongkit kam ka seng ni ki karya karta ki balatroy shitom bat nok senyang nakabenta ka jingroy jong ka seng.
So that's why I'm very happy that me and Bahek we are able to join the second session. So I'm very happy that this time, before I'm not aware, but this time we must appreciate the initiative taken by the party to organize this felicitation program on behalf of the BJP Meghalaya State to all the senior citizens of State Meghalaya, and especially those senior citizens who have devoted their life, who have devoted everything, their time, their energy, mentally, physically, and even financially for the party. Thank you so much. God bless you. And also, the party is organizing a felicitation program to all our young sports persons, both boys and girls. And I wish you all the best. And the one message I want to send to you, that if you read the teaching of the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, the Tripartite, the content of the book, it teaches that this is also the teaching of the Constitution of India, and one of the messages of none other than our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the entire world, that we should love and respect secularism, not communalism. So in the remaining part of our life, all our brothers and sisters, our young friends, that in the remaining part of our life, let us pray for each other and let us work together to strengthen the activities and to strengthen the party BJP in our Meghalaya state as well.
Taken by the national BJP and also the state BJP to celebrate the 47th coalition day of the BJP. We have completed 47 years, and we have so many years ahead to strengthen the party organization. That is, it has depend on every individual and all the party karyakata to take the responsibility to ensure that we are going to every nook or corner of the state and take the flags of the BJP to ensure to invite all the people to join the BJP party. Today I'm very happy also to know that we look like the alumni. All the many old BJP Karyakata, they are assembled here today. So it's like the BJP Meghalaya Alumni Day. I am also very immensely impressed for organizing the seminar and the extempo speech to all the different colleges have been participating in this program. I congratulate to each one of you who are present here today, and also all the winners who are going to be receiving the awards or the prize, whatever prize this is given by the state party. And also we have also the program for the great sport personality who are excel in their different fields in the sport activities. I congratulate them also, and the party today they are going to honor them, to felicitate them, and congratulations to each one of you. So we all here are the party Karyakata. Maybe I'm MLA, Basango is a minister, or president, or the general secretary, or the spokesperson, but we are all the Karyakata. It is our responsibility to ensure that we will be organizing the party and strengthen, and keeping in mind this upcoming GHADC election also, and also the MP by-election also at the same time for the Shillong parliamentary seats. We have to keep in mind to ensure that how we are going to fight for this two immediate election which is just upcoming in our mind a few days ahead. So I will not take much of your time, but I'd like to just to share with all of you, whether you like it, you not like it, but I will tell you. You like it or you don't like it, I want to repeat this also. There is the amendment of our FCRA bills, which I've already written to the Honorable Prime Minister. We should as much as possible, we have to take all the stakeholders together before we implement the bill of FCRA. Thank you very much and God bless you all.